Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Here at VilstraX, we talk tech and make it fun for you all. Living in a world that thrives on technology, we have been introduced to many new technologies over recent years. From cyborgs and robots to cryptocurrency and blockchain, our world is constantly developing. Technology never fails to amaze us. We aim to move toward a more developed and advanced life. For that matter, many technologies have played their part. Robots have made life a little less hectic for us. Smart devices help us connect with people and with other devices. Autonomous cars make driving more safe and riskless. One such technology that has been making the rounds on the internet is NFT art. I am sure you must have been part of at least one conversation in which people talked about the wonders of NFT art. Today, we're going to do that too. Talk about NFT and the wonderful roles it will play in the future. Let's put your paintbrushes and canvas aside and talk about NFT art. Many people have been confused about what exactly NFT is. They are scared of asking the wrong person in fear of being labeled as slow and out of touch with our world. Worry not, my friends. We're here to help you learn all about NFT. Let's start with the basics. NFT stands for non-fungible tokens. For you to understand NFT, you must know what fungible means. A fungible asset is any item that could be traded or exchanged for another similar item without its worth getting changed. The most common examples of fungible assets are money, gold, and cryptocurrencies. However, non-fungible tokens are the opposite. Non-fungible items cannot be traded or replaced with another similar item. All NFTs have different worth, wealth, and usefulness attached to them. For example, you can walk into an art museum and ask them to replace any painting with another you have. But you can walk into a bank and ask them to replace your $10 bill with two $5 bills. Likewise, you can walk into any jewelry shop and trade your gold with money. A non-fungible token can be any asset that falls under the criteria, but a non-fungible token has a digital certificate that is unique to every non-fungible asset. The token is a certificate of authenticity and ownership. All the information related to every NFT is stored on a blockchain. Every transaction and trade is recorded on a blockchain too, much like cryptocurrencies. Most NFTs are bought with cryptocurrencies and stored in a digital wallet. Now you know what an NFT is, but what about NFT art? I think you can connect the dots here. Don't worry if you can't though. NFT art is any piece of art that has a digital presence. It can be a digital painting, music, any kind of video, GIFs, or even a tweet. Every and any kind of art which has a digital presence can be converted into NFT. Did you know I can turn this video into NFT art too? Well, yeah, I can. I might get rich off it too. Crazy, isn't it? NFTs are all the hype right now, but they are more than just hyped up technology. NFT actually has some pretty admirable uses that can change how we handle certain things. Let's look at some potential roles NFT will play in the future. Changing the world of art. Let it be the music industry, photographers, content creators, or simply artists, NFT art has helped everyone a lot, and it continues to do so. Converting your art into NFT means monetizing your art for what it is actually worth. Before the introduction of NFT, budding artists were selling their art for little to no money. No one paid any attention to them, and if they did, they'd exploit the artists and buy their art at low prices. But NFT came to the rescue and said, "Not on my watch, friend." NFT makes it easier for budding artists to publish their art and get rewarded for it. The NFT craze has even caused people to buy pieces of art worth millions. Not only that, it is easier to get renowned for your art if it's an NFT. People pay a crazy amount of money for these things, and it eventually becomes a headline, leading to the artists getting recognition. NFT is revolutionizing the world of art, and we're all here for it. Buying and selling property just got easier. We now know that NFT trading is recorded on the Ethereum blockchain. Every trade and every sale is recorded, making it impossible for people to lie about anything. Plus, NFT makes it easier to show authentic ownership claims. This might seem small to many people, but this is a characteristic that will change the future of trading and revolutionize many markets. It would be more manageable for people to buy or sell real estate without the middleman. People can easily use the blockchain to create smart contracts, and boom, no need for a lawyer to overlook your housing contract. Moreover, it will also solve the issues of illegal land occupation and property ownership. People can't fight anymore for a property because you have to show the digital certificate to back up your claims. It's a collector's paradise. How many of you grew up collecting postcards, stamps, or even coins? I know many of us had a passion for collecting certain things at some point in our lives. Most of us grew out of that phase, but some didn't. Many people collect different items and showcase them to the world just for the fun of it. The increased popularity of NFT art has opened a whole new world for collectors. And this is just the beginning. NFT art will change how collectors collect items. From personally hoarding things to having a digital wallet full of NFT art, that's the world we envision now. From gaming items to basketball cards, from NBA moments to famous merch, from famous gifts to pieces of music, everything will become a collectible. It really will be a collector's paradise. It's an investment opportunity. These past few years have been crazy for people who love to invest. When investing in real estate turned out to be a failure, people moved towards bonds and gold. When that didn't work out too, people found cryptocurrencies. As of now, billions of dollars have been invested in cryptocurrencies by the general public and billionaires. But we all know how volatile that crypto market is. People are getting tired of always looking out for the cryptocurrency, always worrying about market dips and highs. It's just too stressful. Despite the lows, cryptocurrency continues to thrive because people find it exhilarating. But what if someone wants to invest their money minus the adrenaline rush of crypto crashes and highs? The answer lies in NFT art. You can easily buy an NFT art piece, wait a while for prices to increase, and then sell it to the next highest bidder. With the way NFT art is growing, it is becoming a great investment opportunity. Experts have predicted that NFT art will be an amazing thing to invest in for the future. The market is just starting and it has high potential to keep growing. The more it grows, the more money you'll be able to get out of it. There are many other roles NFT art will play in the future. It will change trading in video games. It might also help social media content creators grow and become famous. In addition to that, NFT will definitely affect the financing system. There's a good chance we'll see even more ideas and use cases in the future. All we know right now is that NFT is here to stay and become a part of our developed society. We can just sit here peacefully and wait for it to happen. That's all you need to know about NFT art. So next time you see that one person who is constantly boasting about his knowledge of tech and make you feel inferior, you can pull a Uno reverse and make him feel stupid. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like it. Feel free to leave a comment and tell us your thoughts on NFT art. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will come again with some more interesting tech news. Until then, goodbye.